Yep, we're making chaffles with a new Dash Mini from Just Jason Keto and more.
Prepping for chaffles.
Our first unboxing, the first thing we ever won off of YouTube. And who sent it to us? That's right, Jason from Just Jason Keto and more. We're gonna be making chaffles.
Check that guy out.
Isn't he adorable?
We got here a little note. Yep, we got a note. Looks like there's something in here too. Oh, check that out.
Ah, we got our first stickers from a YouTuber. Thank you, Jason. That's awesome.
Thank you.
So we're making chaffles. What's the first one we're gonna make?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno and cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
This is gonna be so much fun.
That's awesome.
And we're gonna make some right now. Hopefully ours will look something like that. 2 eggs. 2/3 a cup of cheese. Jason used Parmesan cheese. We're using sharp cheddar. Mozzarella cheese goes first so we have some crispy. Pour in some egg. Okay, we added the jalapenos and some cream cheese and a little more mozzarella on top. It's cooking.
Don't forget, don't overfill it.
Well, it looks good. Don't overfill the chaffle. We're getting a little better. Crisping up the onions, just like Jason did. Some mozzarella cheese. Hopefully that's not too much.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Jason always says, don't overfill. Well, we're going to add a little bit more.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
That's going to be everywhere.
Everywhere. There we go. And a little more cheese on top. And we forgot the cream cheese, but I don't think I want cream cheese with this one. Probably would have been good. But here we go, closing it up.
Everywhere it
Oh
goes.
boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Ooh, this one looks good. The jalapeno cream cheese. Oh, look at the crisp. Oh yeah. Look at how crispy. Mm-hmm. How is that?
That passes.
Is this a good time to remind them I can't taste or smell? Yeah, I can't taste any of this, guys.
It's got a nice crunch, so you like the texture.
I got crunch. I have creaminess. A little kick of spiciness. My lips are on fire. Let's try the next one. I really like that crunch. Are the onions burning? This one's just egg and cheese?
Yeah, just an egg and cheese.
Just to kind of get the whole whirl. The trick really is the mozzarella cheese to make it crispy on the outside.
Definitely gives it a nice crunch.
No, I can't taste, so... But the texture... kind of... it does. It reminds me of a waffle completely. I don't like miss flour, I guess.
Right.
What's this one now? This one has hamburger meat, right? Hamburger and onions and cheese. Okay, so the onions, and we got some mozzarella cheese. We're going to try not to overfill it this time. Put it right in the middle. The Chaffle King definitely knows what he's doing. Okay, we're going to add some cream cheese to this one. What else do you want with this one? The ham. Ham.
So much for not overloading it.
Yep, so much for not overloading it. Close it on up. All right, let's try this one.
Back to the hamburger.
The hamburger. And onions, the fried onions.
Yep.
The mozzarella on the outside, and this has sharp cheddar in it with the egg.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
We're getting a little better at this. Okay, this one is Swiss cheese.
Ham.
And ham.
Ham and Swiss.
And there's some peppers in the ham there too. Oh, let's give it a try. Oh, look at all the cream cheese.
The cream cheese just melts in there.
Yeah. I like the crispy outside and creamy inside. Yeah, don't overfill the chaffle maker. How many times have we said that?
I think we've said it every time, and we've done it at least 3 times.
And Jason always reminds us in his videos also. Sorry, Jason. We're new at this, but clearly they're good either way. Ham again and banana peppers. Getting some pepperoni, a little crunchy. And some onion. Definitely getting better, but still overfilling.
Banana pepper. This is your pepperoni.
Just look at how good that looks.
And this is another ham and Swiss. Yummy.
And a beer to wash it down. Ooh, crunchy pepperoni. Let's try this one. These could become very addictive very fast. You don't have to be keto lifestyle to enjoy chaffles. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to freeze them too. Oh yeah.
Looking good. What?
Chaffles!
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Good stuff.
We're making chaffles. If you really want to know how to make chaffles from the Chaffle King, please go over and visit our friend, Just Jason Keto and More. He knows what he's doing. We do not. But we can eat them. We're eating them.
I'm pretty good at eating those things, yeah. They're pretty tasty. Even though they don't look very presentable yet, we'll get there.
We'll get there. Banana peppers. And crispy. Do you hear the crispy? Crispy. Oh, it's the cheese.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Yeah.
Crunch.
Jason knows what he's doing. Look at how perfect that is. Your kid probably wouldn't even know the difference, that this wasn't flour waffle and this was an egg waffle. Crispy and then that creamy pop from the cream cheese.
Crunchy, yummy.
Mm-hmm. We are definitely getting better. Onions first.
That's a pretty neat little gadget. Works pretty good. I like it.
Chaffles will be definitely a thing in our house.
For sure.
You see how the egg poofs up just like a waffle? Awesome texture. Be sure to check out Jason's channel at Just Jason Keto and More. On January 18th, he had a monetization celebration and giveaway, and it cleans up easy, where Jason and I won the Dash Mini. All cleaned up. Honestly, you just have to follow his step-by-step. Jason gets it. Like, we made it like layering a pizza. It doesn't work that way. Get everything coated in that egg. You see that? get everything coated in the egg. We got too excited. We just wanted to make these chaffles. You have to follow Jason's way of doing it. And everything needs to be coated with the egg. That's the secret. Yeah, so much easier. And don't overfill the chaffle maker. Look how much better that looks. Don't overfill. We're getting better at this. I didn't overfill it. Hey, didn't overfill it. Oh yeah. There's a reason why Jason is called the Chaffle King. Because he teaches how to make chaffles the correct way. Don't forget to go check out Jason's channel. It'll be in our description. Give him a thumbs up. I'm all about meal prep, and Jason loves that I meal prep because these convenience items are in the freezer. So I wanted to find out, hey, does these freeze well? Are they still going to be crispy? So this is what I'm did. I'm letting them cool right here on this cooling rack. And then we're going to put them on a cookie sheet and freeze them separately in the freezer and then bag them up. And then tomorrow, Jason can heat one up or two in the air fryer to make them crispy, and he can eat these on the way to work. Who needs all the carbs, right? Simple, delicious changes. And look how perfect this one came out. I'm so proud. Yay. This works easier for me. I spray the bottom, pile everything in, and the very last thing I do is spray the top and then plop it down. Because otherwise, the avocado spray goes all the way down and sometimes it sticks. We don't want sticking. No sticky. These three are going in the freezer. And this one, I'm eating. So as I've told you guys before, I can't taste anything. So, you all may have had the big C. Yep. Well, I got it. Never left. So I can't taste or smell. So look at all that texture. Look at the crispy top. This is great. We made so many of these and we're just using up leftovers. I'm making these cute little chaffles. You guys need to give these a try. Just saying. From a girl who can't even taste, that's how good these are. And Jason loves them. And he can taste. So, there's that. Heating up the air fryer. Air frying them. Morning chaffles.
That's good.
If you haven't already met Jason and I, here's a little trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here. Thank you for watching.